Hi, Sketch That friends. Ready for a spooky sweet treat? Well, today we're bringing this wacky zombie donut to life. Gross, gooey, and totally cute. So let's draw it step by step. So we're going to draw a dot below and here a dot above. And now we're going to go ahead and curve a line out to the left. So I created these two dots to determine the height of the donut. And as you can see, I curved a line to the left, and then I curved a line out to the right. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and make the drippy frosting on this donut. So I'm just using these wavy lines. And this creates overlapping, which is a method of creating space. Awesome. So who knew that donuts would come back from the dead and still be delicious? So I'm erasing out these construction lines. All right, I'm gonna move my hand in a circular motion, creating the eye. Okay, I'm gonna go in and draw the pupil. I'm gonna leave a little white highlight. Okay, so this is gonna be the nose. You can see I'm kind of curving a line up, kind of like an arrow. And we're now gonna go in and start drawing the mouth. So I'm curving a line down. I'm gonna draw a line that curves up here in the corner of the mouth. So sprinkles are nice on donuts, but slime is gourmet zombie topping. All right, so we're gonna draw an oval shape now. And this eye looks like it's swollen shut. He might have gotten pink eye. All right, so this is gonna be its brain. So I'm curving these lines up, curving line out to the left. And curving a few lines down here. Curving a line down and now curving a line up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and add some gummy worms. So I curved the line down, and these gummy worms are sticking out of this donut's forehead. These are called cross contour lines that are curving around the form. And that also makes these worms look three-dimensional. And same thing, this one, we're going to use a cross contour line. So we're curving that line up. We're going to add one more gummy worm on the brain. All right, we're gonna go in and start adding the feet. So I'm gonna draw these two lines down. I'm curving a line out to the left. It's a straight line at the bottom. Yeah, I was gonna say, who needs a jelly-filled donut when you have a brain-filled donut? Man, Yeah, this zombie donut, I think, says, "Forget brains, pass the frosting." All right, so we're gonna go in and start drawing the arms. So I'm curving these lines out to the left. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little circle. And then I'm gonna add the fingers onto this hand. Yeah, I was gonna say, this is the best combo meal today, brains and donuts. And I think it's a monster-sized combo meal. So once again, added the little circle to start the hand, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the fingers around it. So using these ovals. Yeah, I think its brains are chewy. This donut is gooey. And we're ready for outlining. So I'm just gonna go with the Sharpie marker. All right, so today we're gonna be coloring with value. So I have a light pink and then pink. So I have two values there. And I'm going in with fuchsia for those cross contour lines on the worm. I've got ochre, yellow, orange, and red. For the eye, I have ivory and beige. And now I'm in with the apple green. I'm gonna create the base color for the slime. And I'm gonna use the 3M, which is smaller, to do the little bloodshot eyes. And then I'm going in with green, adding in the shadows. And then for the donut, I'm gonna use beige, and I'm gonna go in and add brown for the shadows. And I'm gonna go in and just start refreshing these outlines. Well, hey, I wanna thank you so much for drawing with me today. If you love this Halloween tutorial, go ahead and check out some of my other Halloween how to draw videos. Well, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.